Hello friends, after again very long time, I am starting 12th standard mathematics for M2 and the miscellaneous exercise of the chapter number 3. In this video, I will cover only the multiple choice question. I will explain all the examples in a very simple language. I hope that you will understood all the problems. Now let us start miscellaneous exercise chapter number 3. माझे यापूर्वीचेच सर्व व्हिडिओ तुम्ही निश्चितच बघितलेले असतील. इंटिग्रेशन मिसलेनियस स्टार्ट करताना तुम्ही त्यामध्ये आधीच्या सर्व चॅप्टर नंबर 3 चे सर्व व्हिडिओ जर बघितले असतील तरच मिसलेनियस तुम्हाला येऊ शकेल. मात्र इट्स व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट, that is before starting the miscellaneous exercise you must know all the exercise from the chapter number 3. I had explained all the exercise in a very simple language. Now first, choose the correct option from the given alternative. That is integral 1 plus x plus in under root of x plus x square upon root of x plus in root of 1 plus x dx is equals to. Now to solve this, I had solved all these examples. I is equals to integral 1 plus x plus in under root of x plus x square upon in root of x plus in root of 1 plus x dx. That is, this can be again written as, that is 1 plus x can be written as in root of 1 plus x bracket square plus. Now take x as a common from this root sign, then you will get root of x in bracket root of 1 plus x upon root of x plus root of 1 plus x. Now see this here. Again from these two terms from the numerator you can take the common root of 1 plus x and then in bracket you will get root of 1 plus x plus root x upon root x plus root of 1 plus x dx. Then now split up this, that is we will divide in this manner. That is the root of 1 plus x plus root x upon root of x plus root of 1 plus x get cancelled and you will get a root of 1 plus x dx. And what is the integral of this? The integral of this is in the form ax integral ax plus b bracket raised to n dx is equals to in the same manner, and hence that is here is a integral of root of 1 plus x is a x plus 1 raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 and multiplied and reciprocal it becomes 2 upon 3 plus c, and therefore the answer I is equals to 2 by 3 in bracket 1 plus x bracket raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Now the next is question number 2. Integral 1 upon x plus x raised to 5 dx is equals to f of x plus c. Then integral x raised to 4 upon x plus x raised to 5 dx is equals to, which will be the correct one. Now here is a I is equals to integral 1 upon x plus x raised to 5 dx. Now here we can take that is x as common, then you will get integral dx upon x in bracket 1 plus x raised to 4. Now adjust numerator, multiplied numerator and the denominator by x raised to 3. After multiplying, that is a dx into x raised to 3, that is a x raised to 3 into dx upon x into x raised to 3, that will become x raised to 4 into in bracket 1 plus x raised to 4. Now substitute x raised to 4 is equals to t. Therefore it's a derivative. What's the derivative of this? By you will solve this example by the method of substitution. Upon method of substitution हे हा problem solve करना. What's the substitution? X raised to 4 is equals to t. Therefore 4x raised to 3 into dx is equals to dt. But what is the numerator? The numerator is x raised to 3 into dx. Therefore x raised to 3 into dx is equals to dt by 4, and replace here again, that is the x raised to 3 into dx is replaced by dt upon 4, and x raised to 4 means t, 1 plus x raised to 4, that is the 1 plus t. Take 1 by 4 as a common and in bracket you will get dt upon t plus dt upon in bracket t plus 1. Now here we will apply the partial integration, that is 1 upon t plus 1 is equals to a upon t plus b upon t plus 1. Make the cross multiplication and then you will get 1 is equals to a into t plus 1 plus b into t. Put t is equals to 0. Now we want to find out the values of a and b. For the value of a, put t is equals to 0. Then b will become 0 and you will get the value of a is equals to 1. Put t is equals to minus 1. Then you will get the value of b. That is a t minus 1 plus, that is this a will become 0 and you will get the value of b is as a minus 1. Therefore, I is equals to integral 1 by 4. Now see this here. Here is a 1 by 4 and in bracket integral, we'll substitute the value of a and b. The value of a is 1 and b is a minus 1. Therefore, 1 by 4 integral 1 upon t. Now see this again here. Here is a 1 upon t minus 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon t plus 1. And now this is the very simple integration. That is 1 by 4. Integration of 1 upon t is the log of t minus log of t plus 1 plus c. Therefore, 1 by 4 log of t upon t plus 1 plus c. Now again substitute the value of the t. The value of t is x raised to 4. Therefore, 1 by 4 log of x raised to 4 upon x raised to 4 plus 1 plus c. And this is the f of x, and hence the option A is the correct one. That is a log of x minus f of x plus c. In first example, I do not mention which option is there, but you can select it. It doesn't matter. Our problem is solved. The problem. Now the next example, question number 3. That is I is equals to integral log of 3x upon x log of 9x dx. Now see the solution of this. That is I is equals to log of 3x upon x log of 9x. Now this can be again written as, that is I is equals to integral log of, this 3x can be written as 9x upon 3 upon x log of 9x. Okay, then split up this by using the rules of the logarithm. What is the rule of logs here? That is the log of m upon n is equals to log of m minus log of n. That is the log of 9x minus log of 3 upon x log of 9x. And then split up this. If you split up this, then what will happen? The integral log of 9x upon x log of 9x, 9x get cancelled, and in bracket you will get 1 upon x dx minus log of 3 into 1 upon x log of x, bracket complete into dx, and in this way. Now the integral of first, what is the integral of 1 upon x dx? The integral of 1 upon x dx is log of x. What about here? Now see this here, log of x integral. This 1 upon x can be written as 1 upon x into dx. But to the denominator, we have the log of 9x and treat this as the I1. Okay, now we'll integrate this I1. I1, that is a put log of 9x is equals to t. Log of 9x is equals to t. Then what about it's a dt? It's a dt is a 1 upon 9x into dx is equals to dt. Now again I will repeat here. Log of 9x is equals to t. And therefore, the derivative of log of 9x is 1 upon 9x into ddx of 9x is a 9 into dx is equals to dt. Now this 9 will get cancelled and you will get 1 upon x dx is equals to dt. Therefore, I1 is equals to, that is the integral 1 upon x into dx is equals to, that is the integral dt upon t, and its integral is a log of t plus c2. And overall, here we substitute its value. That is I is equals to log of x minus log of 3 log of 9x plus c1 plus c2. And overall c1 plus c2 is a 3. And in this way, we have completed the multiple choice question number 3. Now next, question number 4. I is equals to integral sine of x raised to m and the cos of m plus cos of x raised to m plus 2. Now this can be written as I is equals to integral sine of x raised to m upon cos of x raised to m. Here is x. I forget to write down it, that x, but here we can write here. That is here is the cos of x. That is the sine of x raised to m and the cos of x raised to m into 1 upon cos square x into dx. Now what is here? That is the sine of x raised to m upon cos of x raised to m is a tan of x raised to m into sec square x into dx. Now the tan of x is equals to t. What's its a derivative? Sec square x into dx is equals to dt. Therefore, I is equals to t raised to m, okay, into dt, and that's why its integral is t raised to m plus 1 upon m plus 1 plus c. And hence the answer I is equals to, that is the tan of x raised to m plus 1 upon m plus 1 plus c, and option A is the correct one. Now the problem number 5, multiple choice 5, that is integral tan of in bracket sine inverse of x dx. What about here? Now we'll solve this. Sine inverse of x is equals to theta. Then sine theta is equals to x. What about the cos theta? Cos theta is equals to in root of 1 minus x square. Then what about the tan theta? That is, a tan theta is equals to sin x upon sin theta upon cos theta. That is, this x upon in under root of 1 minus x square. But what about the theta is equals to? And theta is equals to tan inverse of x upon in under root of 1 minus x square. Now see this here, that is, a theta is equals to tan inverse of in bracket x minus in under root of 1 minus x square. Now what about our integral? Our integral will become, that is, I is equals to integral tan of in bracket tan inverse of in bracket x upon in under root of 1 minus x square into dx. Now see this here, this is our integral. Okay, that's integral. We have find out the value of that is, I is equals to integral. First is the tan. What about the sine inverse? That is a sine inverse of x. What is the value of that? That is a tan inverse of x upon in under root of 1 minus x square into dx. That we have substituted sine inverse of x is theta, and overall if we convert this again, we have the value of that theta is also tan inverse of in bracket x upon in under root of 1 minus x square. That in outside the bracket you have the tan and inside the tan inverse. And by using that formula, tan inverse of tan inverse of theta, that is equals to theta, and therefore integral x upon in under root of 1 minus x square into dx. म्हणजे tan of tan inverse, that is equals to that theta, therefore integral x upon in under root of 1 minus x square. Now we'll solve this integration. Now see this here, that is I had adjusted here directly 1 minus x square. Okay, what is here? F dash of x upon in under root of f of x. Now this can be written as, that is I had adjusted minus 1 upon 2. What is the derivative of 1 minus x square? The derivative of 1 minus x square is a minus 2x. Therefore here is not 2 minus 2x present. Therefore I had adjusted minus 1 upon 2. Integral in bracket 1 minus x square bracket raised to minus 1 upon 2 in bracket minus 2x into dx. Therefore minus 1 upon 2. The integral of 1 minus x square bracket raised to minus 1 upon 2 is, what about its integral? That is minus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 is 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2. That is 1 minus x square bracket is to 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2 plus c. And solve this. That is, these two get cancelled, and you will get that is I is equals to minus in under root of 1 minus x square bracket is to 1 upon 2, that is a in root, therefore plus c, and hence option D is a correct one. Now multiple choice question number 6. I is equals to, okay, I is equals to x minus sin x upon 1 minus cos x dx. आता म्हणजे सर्व मुलांसाठी अशी माझी सूचना आहे की इंटिग्रेशन मध्ये तुम्हाला जर मास्टरी मिळवायची असेल तर तुम्ही या आधीचे सर्व एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह केले पाहिजे. एखादं एक्झाम्पल कुठल्या मेथडने सॉल्व्ह केलं पाहिजे की ते आपल्याला नंतर डायरेक्टली समजू शकतो. You must be the master in this integration. You must know all the exercise. That's why you see all my videos in a very sincerely. Then you can solve all these examples. Now see this here. I is equals to integral x minus sin x. Now this sin x can be written as 2 sin of x by 2 into cos of x by 2 upon 1 minus cos x. But what is the value of 1 minus cos x? That is a 2 sin square x by 2. Now split up this. Means what? That is a integral x upon 2 sin square x by 2, and it will become cos x square x by 2. This is x by 2 into cos x square x by 2 minus 2 sin of x by 2 into cos of x by 2 upon 2 sin square x by 2. These two get cancelled. Sin of x by 2, sin of x by 2 get cancelled. You will get cos of x by 2 upon sin of x by 2. And overall you will get minus cot of x by 2. Now see this here. Here is x by 2. Cos square x by 2 into dx minus cot of x by 2 dx. Now to solve this integration, that is x by 2 cos square x by 2. That is the product of the two functions. One is algebraic and another is a trigonometric. What about the integral of this? The integral of this is very simple. That is integral of cot of x by 2 is a log of sin of x. That is the integral of cot x is our basic formula. That is integral of cot x is a log of sin x. Now, but here it is x by 2. That's why we have to adjust their derivatives. That is the integral 1 upon 2 minus cot of x by 2 upon x by 2 into dx. And therefore, the integral of this is a, see this here, that is x by 2. First is, sorry, 1 minute. That is, first we'll solve this by the integration by the parts, and that is the first function. I think that this is its integral, but before that we'll solve this by integration by parts. X by 2, that is the first function into integral of the second. What is the integral of cot square x by 2? Sorry, cosec square x by 2. It's a minus cot of x by 2 upon derivative of x by 2, which is 1 upon 2. This is first function into integral of the second minus integral. What about that? Derivative of the first function. What is the first function? X by 2. Its a derivative is 1 upon 2 minus in 1 upon 2 into again the integral of, sorry, integral of the cosec square x by 2. It is a minus cot of x by 2 upon x by 2 into dx. This is the by parts only here. It's become some confusion. Okay, no problem. This is the integration by parts. I had underlined this. Now what about the next? Integral of minus cot of x by 2. Now here is minus integral of minus cot of x by 2. I had keep the same terms continue here. This term इथे पुन्हा continue केलेले आहे. Now see this here. This 1 upon 2 get cancelled. This minus will become plus, and you will get plus integral cot of x by 2 minus integral cot of x by 2. These two get cancelled, and overall you will get minus x cot of x by 2 plus c. Therefore, the option B is the correct one. Something was confusion by me also. What about there? The integration by parts. Keep this term as it is. Okay, keep this term as it is, and find out the integration by parts. You will get the plus integral cot of x by 2, and this term and that term get cancelled, and you will get the integration is a minus x cot of x by 2 plus c. Now next, that is option B is the correct one. Multiple choice 7. If f of x is equals to sine inverse of x upon in under root of 1 minus x square, and g of x is equals to e raised to sine inverse of x, then find f of x into g of x. That is a find integral of f of x into g of x dx. Okay, what's the f of x? Sine inverse of x upon in under root of 1 minus x square. What's the g of x? E raised to sine inverse of x. Then find the product of the integral of the product of these two functions. Now see this here. That is I is equals to integral f of x into g of x dx. But the f of x is the sine inverse of x upon in under root of 1 minus x square, and g of x is the e raised to sine inverse of x dx. Now substitute sine inverse of x is equals to t. What about its derivative? 1 upon in under root of 1 minus x square dx is equals to dt. What about here? That is a dx upon under root of 1 minus x square. Dx upon under root of 1 minus x square. Its a value is a dt. Therefore, I is equals to integral. Okay, I is equals to integral. This is a dx upon in under root of 1 minus x square is a dt. And integral here is again sine inverse of x is t. Therefore, we have substituted here is a t. E raised to sine inverse of x means e raised to t into dt. Now solve this by using the integration by parts. Again, to solve this integration by parts, the first function is algebraic and second function is an exponential. What is the definition of by parts? That is the first function into integral of the second. Integral of e raised to t is e raised to t minus integral derivative of the first. What is the derivative of t is 1. It's I have not written that the 1 into e raised to t is again e raised to t. And integral of the second. The integral of e raised to t is e raised to t, and that's why minus integral e raised to t into dt. Now see this very. Again I will repeat here. First function into integral of the second minus integral derivative of the first into integral of the second. Integral of e raised to t is e raised to 2, e raised to t minus integral derivative of t is 1, and integral of e raised to t is e raised to t. And again integral of e raised to t is e raised to t plus c, and now resubstitute the value of t. What's the common from these two? The common is e raised to t is common. But what is the value of t? T is a sine inverse of x, and in bracket you will get t minus 1. which is a sine inverse of x minus 1 plus c, and in this way, that is option A is the correct one. Now the next problem, that is a problem number 8. If integral tan cube of x into sec cube of x into dx is equals to 1 upon m sec of x raised to m minus 1 upon n sec of x raised to n plus c, then what will be the values of m and n? No problem, that is we will solve this. Now see this here, tan cube x into sec cube x. Therefore, I had written that is I is equals to integral tan square x into sec square x into tan of x into sec x. Now again this tan square x means what? 1 minus sec square x, and this is a sec square as it is, tan of x into sec x, and the whole expression is a convert in the form of the, what is here, sec square x into sec square x, that is sec raised to 4x, minus 1 into sec square x, that is a sec raised to 4x minus sec square x into, in bracket, tan of x into sec x. Now what will be the substitutions? The substitution is clear that the sec of x is equals to t. Then what's its a derivative? Sec x into tan x into dx is equals to dt. Okay, no problem. That is a sec x into tan x into dx is equals to dt. Therefore, I is equals to integral. This is the t raised to 4 minus t square into dt. Now integral of this. What is the integral of t raised to 4? That is the t raised to 5 upon 5. Minus what is the integral of t square? T square is the t raised to 3 upon 3 plus c. Resubstitute the value of t. What is the t? Sec x. Therefore, sec of x raised to 5 upon 5 minus sec cube x upon 3 plus c. That is, now what will be the value of m and n? Now see this here. Here is the value of m and n, which is the m is the power of the sec and n is the power of again the next sec. Okay. Therefore, the values of m and n are 5 and 3. The value of m is 5 and value of n is 3. Therefore, 5 and 3, the option is a correct one. Now, next problem, that is a problem number 9. I is equals to integral dx upon cos x minus cos square x dx. Now, see this here. That is this numerator can be written as I is equals to integral 1 minus. To the numerator, we have only 1. That is, numerator can be written as 1 minus cos x plus cos x. Now, split up this. आता हे स्प्लिट अप करणार आपण म्हणजे कसं that is 1 minus cos x upon cos x in bracket 1 minus cos x plus cos x upon cos x into in bracket 1 minus cos x. Now these cos get cancelled. Then what you will get, that is integral 1 minus cos x and 1 minus cos x again get cancelled. You will get integral 1 upon cos x plus 1 upon 1 minus cos x. Okay. Now next, 1 upon cos x means what? Sec x. And what about the 1 upon cos x? It's a 2 sine square x by 2. And it will become 1 upon 2. 1 upon sine square x by 2 means what? Cos x square x by 2. Now see this here. What about the integral of sec x? The integral of sec x is the log of sec of x plus tan x. And what about the integral of cos x square x by 2? That is a minus cot of x by 2 upon 1 upon 2. And that 1 upon 2 is a multiplied and reciprocal is here. Okay. Cos x square x by 2 चे integral किती येणार? Minus cot of x by 2 upon derivative of x by 2 is 1 upon 2. But there is not 1 upon 2. It's become multiplied and reciprocal here. That is here is a 2 plus c. Now these two will get cancelled, and overall you will get I is equals to log of sec x plus tan x minus cot of x by 2 plus c. And therefore the option C is the correct one. Now the next problem number 10, I is equals to integral root of cot x upon sin x into cos x into dx. And next, this is our integral. Now divide n and d by sin square x. If we divide, I is equals to integral root of cot x upon sin square x upon sin x into cos x upon sin square x. That is, we are dividing to the numerator and the denominator by sin square x. बरेच मुलं विचारतील की सर याला काहीतरी ट्रिक वगैरे सांगा. ट्रिक म्हणजे काय की नंबर ऑफ द टाइम्स तुम्ही एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करा, देन यू विल गेट द डायरेक्टली ट्रिक. But in my next video, that is when your CET exam will come, at that time I will give you the tricks how to solve these the examples at the time of the examination for the CET or JEE. Now see this here, I is equals to integral a root of cot x into what is the reciprocal of that is a 1 upon sine square means what? Cosec square x. And here is the sine square x, that is sin x upon cos x upon sine square x. One sine will get cancelled, you will get the cos x upon sine x. It will become cot x. Okay. What about the next? That is I is equals to integral. That is here is a cot x and to the numerator root of cot x. That is one root will get cancelled from the numerator and to the denominator you will get the root of cot x. Therefore integral this cosec square is as it is upon a root of cot x. Now we'll substitute the value of that is a what is here root of f of x. Okay, and here is a to the numerator f dash of x. Okay. That is integral f dash of x upon root of f of x. That is a cot of x is equals to t. What's its derivative? Minus cosec square into dx is equals to dt. Therefore cosec square x into dx is equals to minus dt, and overall you will get I is equals to इधे बघा cosec square x into dx is equals to dt. Therefore cosec square into dx is equals to dx. Cosec square into dx is equals to minus dt. Therefore integral minus dt upon root of t into dt. Therefore that is equals to minus integral t raised to minus 1 upon 2 into dt, and its integral is very simple, that is t raised to minus 1 upon 2 plus 1. It will become t raised to 1 upon 2, that is the root of t upon 1 upon 2, and it will become again multiplied and reciprocal, that will become 2. Therefore I is equals to minus 2 root of t. But what is a t? T is a cot x plus c. Now next example, that is integral e raised to x in bracket x minus 1 upon x square into dx. Now split up this, that is integral e raised to x, that is x upon x square, is 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square. Now see this here, integral e raised to x. What's the f of x? F of x means 1 upon x. What's the f dash of x? Minus 1 upon x square. What's its integral? This is our formula. That is integral e raised to x in bracket f of x plus f dash of x is nothing but e raised to x into f of x plus c. Therefore I is equals to e raised to x. What is f of x? F of x is 1 upon x. Therefore I is equals to e raised to x into 1 upon x plus c. This is the answer. That is option A is the correct one. Now the problem number 12. Integral sine of log of x dx. Now substitute log of x is equals to t. This is the special example. That is a log of x is equals to t. Therefore x is equals to e raised to t. Therefore dx is equals to e raised to t into dt. Because we are generating another function which is the exponential. Okay. Therefore dx is equals to e raised to t into dt. This is the value. Therefore I is equals to sine of log of x into dx will become sine of t. What is the value of dx? Is e raised to t into dt. That is e raised to t into dt. Therefore integral e raised to t sine t into dt. Now what about its integral? We have the basic formula, that is integral of e raised to x into sine of bx into dx is equals to e raised to x upon a square plus b square a sine of bx minus b cos of bx plus c. In the same manner here, its integral is a direct way of solve all these type of the examples. Therefore its integral is that is e raised to ax, means here is a is 1 and b is also 1. Therefore e raised to t, a square plus b square, 1 square plus 1 square, that is a 1 plus 1 which is 2. E raised to t upon 2 sine of t minus cos of t. Now substitute the value of t, which is a log x, that is a e raised to t is x upon 2 in bracket sine of log x minus cos of log x plus c, and in this way this problem is clear. You can see which option is correct one. Next problem number 13. I is equals to integral x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x into dx. Now here x raised to x is equals to t. Now differentiate again both sides, then you will get that is x raised to x. We have solved all this type of the differentiation, that is a take log on both sides, then you will get x log of x is equals to log of t, and after solving this you will get the value of dt is I had written here its derivative, that is x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log of x into dx is equals to dt. How this integration is possible? या टाईपचा प्रॉब्लेम जर तुम्हाला बघायचा असेल तर तुम्ही लॉगरिथमिक डिफरन्शिएशन मध्ये मी सर्व सॉल्व्ह केले, म्हणून मी ते डायरेक्ट त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इथे लिहिलेला आहे. That x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log of x into dx is equals to dt. Therefore, I is equals to integral. Now, x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log of x. Its value is a dt. Therefore, I is equals to integral x raised to x 1 plus log of x dx is equals to integral only the dt. And what's the integral of dt is t plus c. But what is the t? T is a x raised to x. Okay. Therefore, the I is equals to x raised to x plus c, and this is the answer, and hence option B is a correct one. काही प्रॉब्लेम्स साठी मी डायरेक्ट ऑप्शन्स त्याचे लिहिलेले नाहीत, पण तुम्ही ते बघू शकता काय त्याचं ऑप्शन कोणता आहे ते. बट आय हॅड रिटन द आन्सर. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम, दॅट इज द प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 14. Problem number 14. I is equals to integral cos of x raised to minus 3 by 7 and sin of x raised to minus 11 upon 7 dx. Now the integration is, now see this here, that is I is equals to integral sin of x raised to minus 11 upon 7 upon cos of x raised to minus 11 upon 7. Then we have multiplied to the numerator and the denominator by cos of x raised to minus 11 upon 7. And lastly here, that is a cos of x raised to minus 3 by 7 dx. And इथे काय कुठली टर्म आपण ऍडजस्ट केली, that is a divide and multiplied and divided by cos of x raised to minus 11 upon 7. Now sin of x raised to minus 11 upon 7x upon cos of x raised to minus 11 upon 7. That is nothing but the tan of x raised to minus 11 upon 7. But what about here? Cos of x raised to minus 11 upon 7 into cos of x raised to minus 3 upon 7. And that will become minus 14 upon 7. That is nothing but the cos of x raised to minus 2 into dx. Now this cos of x raised to minus 2 is nothing but 1 upon cos square x. And 1 upon cos square means what? Sec square. And our substitution now here. What is substitution? म्हणजे आपला सबस्टिट्यूशनचा मार्ग मोकळा झाला आहे. मग tan of x साठी काय कन्सिडर करणार, तर t करणार. We substitute the tan of x is equals to t. What about its a derivative? Its a derivative is a sec square x into dx is equals to dt. Therefore, I is equals to integral t raised to minus 11 upon 7 into dt. What about its integral? That is a t raised to minus 11 upon 7 plus 1 upon minus 11 upon 7 plus 1 plus c. And overall, if we solve this, that is a t raised to minus 4 upon 7 upon minus 4 upon 7 plus c. And then you will get that is a minus 7 upon 4 into t raised to minus 4 upon 7 plus c. And the final answer, that is I is equals to minus 7 upon 4 in bracket tan of x raised to minus 4 upon 7 plus c. And hence the option C is the correct one. काही प्रॉब्लेम्सला मी शेवटचा ऑप्शन काय येते ना काही दिलं नाही, परंतु आन्सर दिले आणि आन्सर वरून तुम्ही तो ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करू शकता. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 15. I is equals to 2 integral cos square x minus sin square x upon cos square x plus sin square x it's dx. That is I is equals to 2 cos square x minus sin square x dx. But what about this? And 11th standard we have done this type of the trigonometry, that is the cos square x minus sin square x is nothing but the cos of 2x, and its integral is very easy. That is a 2. What is the integral of cos of 2x? Is a sin of 2x upon 2 plus c. Therefore, I is equals to sin of 2x plus c, and hence option A is a correct one. Now the problem number 16, that is I is equals to integral dx upon. मी डायरेक्ट प्रॉब्लेम्स घेतलेले खाली त्याचे ऑप्शन्स काही लिहिले नाही, त्यामुळे तुम्ही ते पुस्तकांना बघू शकता. I is equals to integral cos x in under root of sin square x minus cos square x. Take minus sin as a common. Then you will get in bracket that is the cos square x minus sin square x. That is the integral dx upon cos x minus. Now see this here. Cos square x minus sin square x. That is one form of the cos square x minus sin square x, which is the cos of 2x. Cos of 2x can be written as 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. This is given in the again 11th standard trigonometry. That is, I think that the chapter number 2 or 3. That is, cos of 2x is 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Therefore, integral dx upon cos of x in under root of. Again, if you simplify this, then you will get that is a tan of x minus 1 upon tan of x plus 1. Okay. What about next? See this here. Let me simplify it. That is integral dx upon cos of x in under root of tan square x minus 1 upon in under root of tan square x plus 1. Now see this here. I is equals to again integral dx upon cos x in under root of tan square x minus 1. Root of tan square x plus 1 means what? Sec square x, and its root is a sec x. Therefore integral, see this again, this sec x, okay, it will come to the numerator, that will become 1 sec, and 1 upon cos, that will again another 1 sec, and that sec will become sec square x, and that's why I had written here sec square x. पुन्हा ही स्टेप बघा, हा sec वरती आला न्यूमरेटरला आणि हा 1 upon cos तो देखील sec होणार, आणि ओव्हरऑल म्हणजे आपल्याला किती मिळणार तर sec स्क्वेअर मिळेल. This 1 upon this sec and this cos. Okay, upon in under root of tan square x minus 1. Therefore now substitute tan square x is equals to t. It's a derivative of sec square x into dx is equals to dt. Therefore I is equals to integral dt upon in under root of t square minus 1. And this is our formula, that is integral dt upon in under root of x square minus x a square. That is the log of x plus in under root of x square minus a square. हा फॉर्म्युला आहे त्यामध्ये. Therefore here is a I is equals to log of t plus in under root of t square minus 1 plus c. Resubstitute the value of t. What's the t? T is a tan x. That is I is equals to log of in bracket tan of x plus in under root of tan square x minus 1 plus c. And hence option D is a correct one. Now the next problem, that is, I think that is the problem number 17. What is here? That is I is equals to log of integral log of x upon log of ex bracket square. Therefore I is equals to, now we'll solve this integral log of x, but log of ex can be written as by using the rules of the logarithm. That is the log of m into n, means what? Log of m plus log of n. Here the log of e plus log of x. But what about the value of log of e? Log of e is 1 because here base is also e, and e log of e to the base e is 1. Therefore integral log of x upon 1 plus log x bracket square. Substitute the value of log of x is equals to t. What's x is equals to? X is equals to e raised to t. Therefore dx is equals to e raised to t into dt. Okay. Now see this here. Therefore integral I is equals to t. We substitute the values. What's the log of x? Log of x is t. What's the value of dx? Dx is e raised to t into dt. Therefore t into e raised to t into dt upon t into e raised to t into dt upon 1 plus log of x bracket square. But the log of x is t. म्हणजे काय येणार? 1 plus t bracket square येणार इथे आपल्याला. 1 plus t bracket square. इंटिग्रेशन हे प्रचंड अवघड आहे. तुम्हाला समजून घेण्यासाठी पुन्हा हे व्हिडिओ बघावे लागतील तरच ते समजेल. ओके. I is equals to integral t into e raised to t into dt upon 1 plus t square. Now see this here. I is equals to integral e raised to t into t upon 1 plus t bracket square. Now again it is of the form. Which is that form? Integral e raised to t in bracket f of x plus f dash of x bracket complete into dx is equals to e raised to t into f of x. E raised to x into f of x plus c. त्या फॉर्म मधला आहे बघा. इथे काय करणार? t plus 1 minus 1. Split up this. That is a t plus 1 upon 1 plus t bracket square. But t plus 1 cancel होणार. Then you will get 1 upon 1 plus t minus 1 upon 1 plus t square, t bracket square into dt. What about here? This is the f of x and this is the f dash of x. That is, I had written this formula. That is, what is here? Integral e raised to x in bracket f of x plus f dash of x dx is equals to e raised to x into f of x. Therefore e raised to t, what's the integral? 1 upon 1 plus t plus c. Resubstitute the value of e raised to t. What's the e raised to t? E raised to t. Here is a e raised to t. E raised to t means what? X, and t means what? Log of x. E raised to t means what? X. Okay. And t means what? Log of x. And hence the final answer is x upon 1 plus log x. E raised to t means x. And if we have substituted, I will again show you. See this here. E raised to t means x and t is equals to log x. And therefore the answer is, that is x upon 1 plus log x plus c, and hence option A is a correct one. Now the next problem, that is a problem number 18. Okay, I is equals to integral sine of log x plus cos of log x into dx. Again, this is very important problem. हा डायरेक्ट स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड प्रॉब्लेम नाही, याचं कन्वर्जन कुठल्या तरी वेगळ्या फॉर्म मध्ये होणार आहे. Therefore substitute the log of x is equals to t. Therefore x is equals to e raised to t. Therefore dx is equals to e raised to t into dt. It's a derivative. Substitute here. What you will get? I is equals to integral sine log of x plus cos log of x into dx. आपण dx ची व्हॅल्यू लिहिली, किती आली ती? e raised to t into dt. Sine log x, that is a sine t. Cos log x, cos t. And now these can be written as integral e raised to t in bracket sine t plus cos t bracket complete into dt. Again the same form. Which is the form? That is the integral e raised to x in bracket f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equals to e raised to x into f of x plus c. Now here is a e raised to t, here is a f of x is a sin x, its a derivative is a cos x. Therefore e raised to 2 into sin t plus c. Resubstitute the value of t. What is the value? What is the value of e raised to t? E raised to t means x. What is here? E raised to t means here is a x. Okay. And t is equals to log x. Resubstitute a value. Then you will get t is equals to log x. And e raised to t means what? X. Therefore I is equals to x sine of log x plus c. And hence option D is a correct one. Now the next problem, that is a problem number 19. Integral cos of 2x minus 1, cos of 2x plus 1. Take the minus sign as common. That is integral minus in bracket 1 minus cos of 2x upon 1 plus cos of 2x. Now we know these are the very standard formula. 1 minus cos of 2x means what? 2 sine square 2x upon 2. Then you will get 2 sine square x. What about here? 2 cos square 2x upon 2. Then you will get 2 cos square x. 2 to get cancelled. Sin square x upon cos square x. Then you will get tan square x. Here is a tan square x. Now this tan square x can be written as x square x minus 1. And its integral is very easy. That is, what is the integral of tan square x? The integral of tan square is, integral of this x square is a tan x, and integral of 1 is a x. Therefore minus in bracket tan of x minus x plus c. Okay. Again I will explain. Tan square x means what? X square minus 1. Integral of 6 square is a tan x. Integral of 1 is x. Okay. That is where completing all these examples. I is equals to, therefore it is written as in this fashion. I is equals to x minus tan of x plus c. Therefore option C is a correct one. Now the next, that is a problem number 20. I is equals to integral e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x upon e raised to x into dx. Again split up this. That is e raised to 2x upon e raised to x plus e raised to minus 2x upon e raised to x into dx. Therefore you will get e raised to x plus e raised to minus 3x into dx. Now see this. What about the integral of e raised to x? Integral of e raised to x is e raised to x, and integral of e raised to minus 3x is e raised to minus 3x upon dx of minus 3x, which is a minus 3, and here it is a minus 3. Therefore I is equals to e raised to x minus 1 upon 3 e raised to 3x plus c, and hence option A is a correct one. And now we have completed the question number 1. I will regularly upload the 12th standard videos. I hope that you will see all these videos very sincerely. Now we'll see again in the next video. Till then, goodbye.